Welcome back to another Dollar General haul, you guys. I literally cannot stay out of the store. So, hope you all are having a blessed day today, and I'm living for this tie-dye background. So, yes. First off, we did pick up some snacks and some drinks for tonight. We've been watching through Stranger Things. Amazing, by the way, and we restarted it. And so we just grabbed a couple snacks. Connor picked up these gummy bears, and don't you just love when you pick stuff up in the store and get home only to realize that somebody knifed it? Wow, these are trash now because you cannot trust anybody. Wow, alrighty. So we did pick up some potato skins, cheddar and bacon. These are awesome, and we like those. In my stamping videos, I always get asked, where do I find the lint rollers with the print on them? Dollar General. Yes. And I picked up some new prints today. So I have this like purple triangle print and this like green flower print. And you get two in there for $1. And they are 40 sheets each. And honestly, I feel like before they might have been 30 sheets each, but I could be wrong about that as well. Either way, they are so adorable and perfect if you love stamping. And right now I'm using like this mermaidy kind of print. Yes, and two for $1, you can't beat that. So I got the purple and the green, and then I picked up this one that has like a pink swirly design.
It was the gun's turn.
I got this pink swirly design and the blue chevron. So while I was also in there, you guys, I had to look at the Believe Beauty setup again, and they restocked. Okay, it looked like they had recently, just like maybe even this morning, restocked. So I was so excited to find some of the products that I've been wanting to try that you guys also want me to try as well. For starters, I did pick up the nude eyeshadows. I had been wanting this, but they were sold out of that every time I went, and it's the Nearly Nude. I have a lot of nude eyeshadows, but I thought that we could kind of do what we done with the Plush purples, and we'll do like 6 different looks or something with this one as well, if I can come up with 6 using the nude one. And then, okay, everyone was suggesting that I try the foundation and the setting spray. So I did grab the Makeup Perfecting Setting Spray today. And once again, nothing from this brand is over $5. And I believe the setting spray, $4.50 for this. The eyeshadows were $5. And then I said if I was going to pick up a foundation, if I had it my shade, I would get the foundation brush. The foundation brush was $3.50, I believe. And I really like the eyeshadow brushes I picked up the other day, so I'm sure I'll probably like this as well. And then last but not least, I did pick up the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation, medium to full coverage. And I picked it up in porcelain, and I think this is the second lightest shade, actually. I'm hoping, because the first one looked like it was going to give me like a white cast. I needed more warm undertone to it, so I grabbed the second shade, I believe. And I am so excited to try the face stuff. I said if they had it in stock and I could find it the next time I went, I would absolutely grab it. So I'm excited to try more Believe Beauty, and before it's over with, I'll probably own at least one thing of everything that they have to offer. And yeah, so we're going to do another Get Ready With Me soon, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Thank you always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already.